Good morning, audience. I am Lelatu Shiva from the Real News coverage reporting live about the Kamal Port Bangkalan, which began to be deserted by passengers. The existence of Suramadu is said to be the access of the deserted Kamal Port. The port, which used to be the access for Madura's people when we wanted to travel to Surabaya, is now began to be revived by the Suramadu Bridge. Whereas before the existence of Suramadu, the port was the only access to the island of Java. There are two ports that connect crossing from Madura Island to Java and vice versa. The two ports are Ujung Port on the Surabaya side and Kamal Port on the Madura side.
Despite the lack of passengers, this port is still operating until now. Every day, there are two ferry boats that serve the Surabaya-Madura and Madura-Surabaya routes. The two ships are KMP Tongkol and KMP Joko Tole, owned by the transportation company PT Dharma Lautan Utama. The two ships operate in opposite direction and depart every 1 hour. Only a handful of people are still interested in this sea transportation, namely residents of Kamal subdistrict who want to travel to Surabaya without private transportation and students of Trunojoyo Madura University who do not bring private vehicles when going home. One of the factors for the quietness of Kamal Harbor is the complexity of the ticket purchase mechanism. Nowadays, ticket payment use electronic money, but you still have to queue at the counter to buy tickets, and not everyone has electronic money. Meanwhile, the Suramadu Bridge is free without having to think about the complexity of purchasing tickets. Another factor is that the two ferry boats do not always operate. Sometimes only one crossing boat operate, making it too long to wait for the boat.
Now let's try to interview one of the prospective passengers who still using transportation. Sorry to interrupt your time. If I might now give book, maaf mengganggu kalau boleh tahu dengan suara.
Ya, perkenalkan saya Siti Informasi Bunga dari Banjarmasin dari Mahasiswa Universitas Indonesia.
I am with Mrs. Adin, UTM student. If I might know, are you going to use the transportation?
Baik, tujuan saya adalah ingin ke ITC Surabaya.
Mrs. Adin will go to ITC Surabaya. Why did you choose sea transportation over Suramadu? Mengapa Anda lebih memilih transportasi laut daripada Suramadu?
Ya karena lagi pengen aja sih naik kapal ya Mbak. Terus kalau lewat Suramadu kan capek karena naik motor. Dan kalau lewat kapal, naik kapal itu bisa sambil istirahat, terus juga bisa lihat pemandangan.
Sis Adin chose sea transportation because she wanted to go on to ship and she could also rest enjoying how are the facilities and service in ship on the port. Bagaimana fasilitas dan pelayanan di kapal kapal?
Ya kurang lebih sewajarnya aja sih Mbak, kayak di kapal yang ada tempat duduk, ada toilet, sholat, dan juga bahkan ada orang yang
It is still natural that there are chairs, toilet, musola, and people side. Do you think The number of passengers on the ship in Kamal Harbor is increasing or decreasing. Bagaimana menurut Anda mengenai penumpang di kapal pelabuhan ini? Apakah berkurang atau meningkat?
Ya, bisa dikatakan berkurang.
According to Artin, the number of passengers is decreasing. The number of ship passengers is decreasing. Kira-kira apa yang menyebabkan penumpang kapal pelabuhan ini berkurang?
Kalau berdasarkan pengalaman saya pribadi, karena mungkin kalau lewat Suramadu itu kan gratis, nggak pakai bayar. Sedangkan kalau naik kapal itu harus beli tiket, dan tiket itu soal itu rumit gitu, makin rumit, terus harus pakai aplikasi, terus yang itu juga harus kelompok sendiri.
According to Artin, the version of ship user is Suramadu is free. Buying ticket is complicated using the application. Thank you.
You're welcome and good luck.
Thanks. Yeah. We all hope that this sport will be revitalized soon, so that it can help revive the economy of local residents. It is also hoped to this harbor will not be less famous than Suramadu. From Kamal Harbor, Kamal District, Bangkalan Regency, Madura, Real News Conference, Laila Shiva reports.